Wilkie sills have been designed to facilitate installation and provide the necessary waterproofing for your exterior walls. Their original shape allows for a slight slope to ensure water drains outwards. Transition sill. Complete the installation of the Wilkie panels up to the desired height. When placing the Easy Key anchors on the last row of panels, press the middle tab down or cut it off. Position the sill on the last row of the panels and screw it in place using 4 screws. Then, apply a waterproof elastomeric membrane above the transition sill. The elastomeric membrane should cover the sill at least 1 inch and overlap the back of the wall by a minimum of 4 inches. Window sill. When the wall you are covering includes a window, we recommend installing the Wilkie window sills first before proceeding with the last row under the window. When installing the last row, you may need to cut the Wilkie panels lengthwise. Measure the remaining height between the top of the second to last row and the top of your installation and cut the panel. Drill the panel in one of the stone joints. Using a countersink bit, create a slice chamfer to hide the screw head. Place the panel in position and screw using the cylindrical spacer provided in the anchor key and screw packaging to maintain a gap behind the panel. Use 3-inch flathead screws. Do not over-tighten the screw. To hide the screws, you can obtain the exact color of the stone by mixing cutting dust with a bit of clear caulking. You can also use colored caulking that matches the stone color. Wilkie panels are designed for easy installation on columns. Regardless of the size of your column, start the installation at the base and use the textured ends of the panels to create the visible corners. When installing Wilkie panels above an opening such as a door, window, garage door, and other, you will need to install a starter strip above these openings to ensure support for the bottom of the panels. It is likely that the top of the Wilkie panels installed above the opening will not align with the top of adjacent panels. Cut the panel so that it has the required height to continue the row, keeping the upper half of the panel. This will remove the groove at the bottom of the cut part. Press down the tabs of the starter strip and lay the panel on it. Ensure that the top of the panel matches the position of the adjacent panel. Drill the panel and countersink a hole as if you would for an installation below a window or for the last row. Screw the panel using the cylindrical spacer provided. Then secure the top of the panel using the anchor keys.